Channel definition. Definition of With Herbs channel. Today we will be indicating our channel, With Herbs. It is a channel that strives to give information about health, beauty, and natural therapy. Here, we'll teach you methods of making creams for the skin, body, and hair, and methods of making natural soap and shampoo, skin care face wash, hand soap, and hand wash. We will solve all face, body, and hair problems, only from nature. Our channel covers a wide range of topics related to beauty, health, and fitness. Examples of some of our website topics. Face. Here we will teach you how to solve all your face problems. You can make your face very pretty. You can make natural creams, masks, and washes. Body. If you suffer from any problems in your body, you can find the perfect solution here. Learn to make natural body mixtures for a flawless white body. Hair. Here, we can solve all your hair problems. If you have breakage, roughness, frizziness, or hair loss, this is the place to go. And, because your hair is the crown that crowns your head, we will make it shine like gold with no issues. If you want to make a natural shampoo and conditioner for hair, follow us. Treatments. Skin ailments, chronic diseases, hazardous diseases, and therapy for all treatable, and get rid of a lot of diseases. Health. Everything related to human health, men, women, and children. Weight loss. Ways to lose weight and fitness in the whole body, and get rid of belly fat. You will find solutions to all these problems only with natural herbs. We want to give ourselves the opportunity to live in good health, away from any chemicals or other harm. Enjoy your health, beauty, and fitness with substances derived from nature's bounty. If you want a treatment or cosmetic course customized for you, send us a message.